That guy gave us the bike wave even though we're on baby Groms. He was mouthing something like, "Screw you front two. I'm waving at the Harley." Yo, so AA Ron from Orlando Harley rode one of the Groms yesterday. I told you about that. I was like, "You want to ride it real quick?" He's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Have you ridden one before?" He's like, "Yeah, a while back, but I guess there was a bunch of stuff done to it." And so I let him ride this one, and he took it around real quick. And as soon as he rolled up, I'm sitting there recording, and he rolls up and he goes like this. He stops and looks down. He's like, "I want one." I'm like, "That's right." Alright, so I guess this is the intro. Unfortunately, you guys can't hear Ms. Block because her GoPro battery is dead. Yeah, that's right. I won't have to beep you out because you cuss all the time. How is it that you cuss more than me now? Never would have thought it. Because I used to cuss a lot. The motovlog has actually made me cuss less because I have to watch that stuff. For all those little baby blockheads out there. Oh shit. 54. 55, 56. That's all I got, 56. I'm topped out. Yeah, well, you're way less. Alright, so I guess the start of an episode, we are going to Topgolf, Orlando, for Dr. Fookhead, aka Matt. I guess I should say Matt, aka Dr. Fookhead. The doctor that basically birthed our Groms here. Going to surprise him at Topgolf. I'm horrible at golf, so this is going to be a very interesting experience. Are you any good at golf? You were bad at miniature golf? Well, this is like a driving range, and there's like, I think, objectives. You have to hit it like so far or something like that. Alright, we'll continue when we get there. We're going to be driving on iDrive, which sucks usually. Hopefully it's not too bad though. Damn, it's a big oh, that's it. It's gotta be it right there. And this other building is the Andretti. Dude, go! What the shit? You drive a truck. I'm afraid of this little dip. There it is, Topgolf. I mean, oh, is that an Eric? Looks like an Eric to me.
What up?
Hey, buddy. You look familiar.
Yeah, you look familiar too. What's up?
Hey, buddy.
When you guys gonna ride real bikes?
Real backs.
Oh shit! Alright, park up somewhere.
We here.
Congratulating, homies.
Happy late birthday,
What's up? I'm like 35 now, and I'm gonna hit some golf balls.
Hilarious. Oh my gosh.
Hey, what's up, man?
It's on YouTube.
Cool, thank you.
Like, grab her hip and be like,
I can't do that.
you gotta be like, alright, you gotta know what
Happy birthday, bro. Yeah. Woo! Slice like a motherfucker. 103 mile an hour faster than a Grom, so I'll show you how Big Daddy does it. I'm gonna eat my words right now.
And we're dipping it in queso and salsa. Guac. Baby Ruth. Baby Ruth. Big Daddy Ruth. You got a caddy? Dang, you don't even have to like change your own clubs? New club, son, new club.
This one's for you, Nelson Mandela!
Nelson Mandela.
Oh no!
There you go. Go for lunch, don't hit my GoPro. I'm gonna... Slow-mo you, bro. 120 frames a second here.
Definitely slow-mo it, because it's going to be amusing.
Amusing, not amazing.
You know what I'm saying?
Everything is.
So, I don't know what's in my shirt right now, but there's totally... Holy shit. That was just in my shirt. I could feel something crawling on me. Dude, what is that? The injectable donut holes? It's crazy. Oh no. No!
That's the only one.
Alright, so these are basically donut holes. They're injectable. So you've got Bavarian cream, raspberry, and chocolate.
Alright, I'll take the chocolate.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
That's good. Oh no! Gotta take the cap off. Damn it.
Sorry, my mouth is going. Sorry, I saw you doing it. I'm like,
Pre-tapped it.
there's a lid in there.
What is that? You gotta inject it?
He didn't take it off.
It's going in for the raspberry.
The raspberries taste like raspberries. Wait, that's not right. Oh, I got a little rough with it. Excuse me.
Over injection. Overdose.
Oh, bro. That's good. Next time I'm just getting those only.
Right?
Oh shit, Takis.
Injectable donut holes. Grab you one and inject it, bro.
Get the f*** out of here. Get the f*** out of here.
He's done this before.
I will remember you.
Grab a donut hole, shove that in there and fill it up.
That sounds like most things.
Alright, so what do we do? There we go.
Did I miss some?
Ah, there it is. Stepto cinnamon ball.
Oh yeah. This is surgical. This is surgical.
Yeah, you like the syringes?
This one, white stuff. Oh, I love white semen.
The whole big?
No, you make the whole with the syringe.
Okay.
You can do white and, or the sweetest and so sweet without the bitter. Right? A literal jelly donut. Okay.
Just bury your face in the rest of it.
I now know what true happiness feels like.
Warm. A little heavier than that last bike, huh? Just a little bit. Hey, I just want you to look at this real quick. Raj. Like walking the Grom out one-handed. Deuces. Man, I can't believe I had a wasp in my shirt. That was crazy. And we're off. How the hell do you get out of here? Side dude. Well, that was fun, huh? That was cool. You got all competitive and you tried to beat me. I'm just messing. You're lying if you're saying you're not competitive. Well, it was a lot of fun. I hope Matt had a good birthday celebration at Topgolf. Yeah, we got to go there more often though, for sure. That was a lot of fun. Man, it's weird seeing it from this angle. Like straight on. I'm tired. Go take a fat nap. Alright, well I guess I'll go ahead and end the episode, huh? Oh. Wanna pass him? Passing people on Groms. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and all that. If you guys want a chance to win some cool stuff, the Block Box. And we're going to have some cool stuff in it. You guys can get your chance to win that by checking out Patreon at patreon.com/Blockhead Moto. And, I like doing that. I'm going to have to replace this tire so fast. Anyways, till next time. You guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. We'll catch y'all later. Sexy man, sexy man. What the hell is he doing? Alright. He's seizure stretching. Looks like a light bulb. It's hilarious. Alright, we'll catch you guys later. Deuces.